Imagine this. AI takes your job, your neighbors, your doctors, even your delivery guys. Now ask yourself, with no income, who's left to buy anything? For centuries, work meant survival. But now, machines don't sleep, don't demand salaries, and they're replacing us faster than we can adapt. So, if AI owns the labor force, will it also need to invent consumers? Or will we all just fade into irrelevance? No workers means no wages. No wages means no spending. And without spending, the whole system breaks. Some say universal basic income is the answer. A paycheck from the government, no job required. But who funds that when companies are run by code? As AI becomes worker, manager, and CEO, it also becomes the richest being on Earth. But it doesn't eat, shop, or dream. A world without work isn't just broke, it's broken. What happens when billions lose not just income but purpose? Will we evolve past jobs into something greater? Or will we be sidelined in a world built for us but no longer by us? The AI revolution isn't just about tech. It's about survival, identity, and power. And if we're not careful, we won't be part of the future, we'll just be watching it happen. If the future belongs to AI, where do we fit in? Hit subscribe if you're ready to explore the truth behind the tech.